You can export an image from any viewpoint, whether it's from the 3D world or from a panorama. To do that, go to Edit, Visualize, and then go to Screenshots. You have the option to give the screenshot a name. Change the image size, and enable or disable various settings. For this example, I don't want any markers to show in the screenshot, so we'll disable those. I want to keep anti-aliasing enabled for maximum quality. Finally, we can specify a file type, either JPEG or PNG. Then, click on Export, and your visualization will start downloading. These visualizations can now be used for informing those with a vested interest as to what the visual impact of your future project is.